Are you hitting that snooze button and procrastinating your way through your day? We all have big dreams and goals. How do you set yourself up to actually get things accomplished? This is where implementing being the CEO before bed empowers you to be the excited employee the next morning. Let's talk about it. But first, who am I? I am Heather with Heather Bresser Online. I help busy mompreneurs look like they have it all together while getting more done in less time. This is a strategy that is heavily taught in my network marketing business because it is thought that women, men too, guys, I know you're crazy busy, but I'm more talking to the gals right now. So, gals, we know that we have a mile long to-do list with endless worries and endless things to do. But it is taught that if you identify just a few select tasks to do each day, that you'll actually set out to accomplish. And as you're checking them off, you're going to feel more accomplished. So step one, let's identify the list. What are you going to write down? I call it a complete brain dump. Anything that comes to mind, I'm going to write it down. Step two, dump away. So this is where you're going to write all your to-dos, all your worries, all your things you need to fix around the house, tasks you have, projects that you really need to get going, things that even the kids have that you need to have them do, or that they need to do that you need to be aware of. So now that you've done your brain dump, it is time to go back and prioritize. So you take just 6 top priorities that are on the list, not 60, not 16, 6. Take those top 6 priorities and write them down in your daily planner for the next morning. These are your marching orders for the next day. I would definitely recommend writing them down in the top priority first. Tackle the hard things first. And as you go throughout your day, because as you know, as you go throughout your day, typically the energy level tends to decline the later it is in the day. So tackle those hard things first, and the rest will seem a lot more doable. Now, another benefit of doing this brain dump right before you go to bed is you've freed space in your mind. You've got it written down, so subconsciously you know that you don't have to worry as much because you've got it written down. When you do have a question or a task that you maybe don't know exactly how you're going to tackle it, if you've got it written down and you're kind of mulling it over as you sleep, your subconscious goes to work to try to answer questions. Doing a brain dump, being that CEO before bed, really, really helps you that you'll actually probably find that you'll sleep better. So now you've done your CEO bit, you've gone to bed, you've rested, you've got your 6 most important things written down. The next morning you wake up and you pick up your planner and you've got your 6 most important things, and off you go and you tackle all of them, and say it's noon and you're done. You know, congratulations, that's amazing. You've accomplished what you need to accomplish. But you can go back to your list and add a couple more things if you need to, if you feel ambitious and you want to tackle a few more from your list. But just know you've done what you set out to do for the day. That's amazing. That's balance. Now you're free. You can put the close sign up and free to do another segment in your day. Are you up for a challenge? Write down and do your dump right before you go to bed. And then tomorrow, do your 6 most important things. Screenshot at the end of the day. Tag me. I'm on Instagram at Heather Bresser Online. I want to see how you accomplished through your first day. I think it's going to be so exciting to celebrate you. So as I like putting together some fun resources, here is one just for you for your brain dump. I have a brain dump worksheet. So here is access to it. It is called 5 Things Super Organized Moms Do to Not Lose Their Minds. And you go onto my website, which is www.heatherbresser.com/prioritize. Here is another video that I think you might like. Are your daily habits affecting your success? So if you have any questions, definitely hit the comments below. I would love to connect with you. And as always, tribe, I hope you have a fabulous day.